Hello everyone and welcome dear all in mathematics class. Yes, and today we are going to study this chapter percentage, and we will see here some more basic questions based on the percentage. Okay, and this is your first video for this week. Okay students, so now let's start. You can see the first question here, that x% of 75 is 9. Then find the value of x. Then you have to find the value of x. So first we are going to write this statement that x% of 75 is 9, means we will solve this equation that x by 100, you know that percent represents 1/100th. That means 1 by 100. So you will divide the x by 100. That means x by 100 into 75 equals to 9. Now we are going to solve this equation, so that we may write that x equals to 9 into 100. This 100 you will take on the other side of the equation, okay, because on the LHS it is dividing, so here it will multiply on the RHS side. Now 9 into 100 by 75. This 75 will go on the RHS side and it will divide. So ultimately you will get that 25 into 3 times and 25 into 4 times. So the result is you can get 3 into 4, because this 9 also you will cut 3 into 1 time and this 3 into 3 time. So 3 into 4, what you will get, that result is 12. So in this way you can find the result that 12. Okay, so the value of x is 12, and you can check also that 12% of 75 will be 9, because x% of 75 is 9. So you can find that really 12% of 75, what value it represents. So you will get that 12% of 75 is 9 only. Okay, now next question we have that what percent of one day is 36 minutes. Now we are knowing that in one day there are 24 hours, and in 24 hours, since each hour consists of 60 minutes, therefore 24 hour is consisting of 24 hours means 24 into 60 minutes. Okay, so you can say that x% of one day is equals to 36 minutes. Then we have x by 100 of 24 hours. X% of one day means x by 100 you can say, because x% is x by 100, because 100 represents 1/100th. So x by 100 of 24 hours, because 1 hour, 1 day means 24 hours, just remember that. So that is equals to 36 minutes. Then we can say that x by 100 into 24 into 60. Okay, because 1 hour means 60 minutes, so 24 hour means 24 into 60. Because RHS is in the form of minute, so I have converted the LHS also in the form of minute. The unit I have made same. Now we can solve this equation because the units are same, so you can find out the value. This minute and minute you can cut on both the sides. So you will get that x equals to 36 into 100, because here this 100 is dividing on this LHS side, you can see. So on that side it will multiply. Now 24 and 60 are multiplying on this side, you can see that 24 and 60 are multiplying, so on the other side it will divide. So you will get that x equals to 36 into 100 by 24 into 60. So then you will solve this equation. How you will solve that? You can cut this 12 into 2 times 24, and this you can cut 12 into 3 times 36. Okay, now you can cut what? You can cut this also, that 3 into 1 time, and this 60 you can cut 3 into 20 times. Okay, now this 20 can cut the 100. Okay, so it will cut in 5 times. So 20, you can write that expression freshly, that 100 by 2 into 20, that you can write 2 into 20. So 20 into 5 times means you will get 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2.5 you will get. Okay, so the answer will be here 2.5. After cutting all this expression, when you will cut that, you will get that it is 3 into 5 means 2 into 3. Okay, so you will get that 5 by 2 means 2.5. Just I have shown that how it is coming. 3 into 5 by 2 into 2 into 3, you will cut, then it will come. So 5 by 2% means 2.5%. This is the value of x. Okay, that means 2.5% of 1 day is 36 minutes. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Now next, that you see a number decreased by 8% gives 69. So find the number. When it is decreasing by 8%, then you will get 69. Then find the number. Okay, so first you assume that let the number equals to x. Let that number, required number is x. Then you will say, if I will decrease the number by 8%, means you will subtract 8% of x from x only. Okay, you will subtract 8% of x from x itself. Okay, so that you will get 69. Then because that number is only decreasing by 8% of itself. Okay, then you will solve that x equals to 8% means 8 by 100 of x. That means 8 by 100 into x. Now this 8 by 100 you will cut, then you will get that 2 by 25. Okay, because 4 into 2 and 4 into 25 times you can cut that. So you will get that. First you can write that 8x by 100 only, no problem, that 8 into x by 100. Now this here you will cut that 4 into 2 times, and here 4 into 25 times 100. Okay, so this you will get 2x by 25. You are going to get that 2x by 25. Yes, we have got that. X minus 2x by 25 equals to 69. Now this equation we have to solve. So you know x is x by 1 minus 2x by 25. Okay, so you will take the LCM 25 here. LCM will be, because here the denominator is x by 1, means it is 25 LCM. So you will take the LCM, then the solution will be 25x minus 2x by 25 equals to 69. Now next, 25x minus 2x will be 23x by 25 equals to 69. Then we will have that x equals to 69 into 25. This 25 you will take on other side. Okay, and 23 will divide on the other side. Okay, 69 into, by cross multiplication you can see that. So 69 into 25 by 23. So this I will cut 23 into 1 times and 23 into 3 times. Then 3 into 25, that means 3 into 25 is 75. So this is the value of x, means x, hence the required number, you can say that required number is 75. Okay, so this way you can solve the questions. Now we have the next question is that in an examination 95% of the total examinees passed. Okay, and if the number of failures is 28, it is written here, number of failures are 28, then how many examiners were there? Okay, that you have to find. How many examiners have taken part in the examination? Okay, so how you will do that? First you just think that 95% examinees have passed. That means how many, what percent of students, what percent of examinees failed in that? That means it is 5% only. 100 minus 95, you will get 5% examinees are failed in that. So first you are going to write that let total number of examinees equals to x. Okay, that means then percentage of failed students or examinees are 100 minus 95. The 95% passed you will subtract from 100, because 100% means total students, total examinees. So 100 minus 95 means 5% examinees failed in that exam. Okay, so and then we will find the value of this 5% value. It is in percentage. Now find the value, that means 5% of total students. So number of failed examinees is are 5% of x. Okay, so this way we have found the number of failed candidates. That means 5 by 100 of x. 5% means 5 by 100 of x. Now this 5 you may cut that 5 into 1, and this 5 into, sorry, you will cut like that, 5 into 1 and 5 into 20 time. So what you will get? You will get x by 20. That 1 into x is x and x by 20. This is the number of failed examinees. But according to question, the number of failures are, that means number of failed candidates are 28. Number of failed examinees are 28. So that means they are equal. We have got it, x by 20 is the number of failed examinees, and in question given the number of failed examinees is 28. Okay, so you will say that they are equal. So we can say that x by 20 equals to 28. Okay, now it's very easy. You can also solve that and you can find the value of x here. What you will do, x equals to 28 into 20. 20 will go on the other side. So 28 into 20 means 560. That is value of x. So this is the total number of examinees are 560. So total number of examinees are 560. Okay students, so now you can solve exercise 10C, that some mixed questions, some miscellaneous questions are given in this exercise. Exercise 10C, question number 3 to 12. Okay, for your revision also this will work. Okay, so that's all students, and do watch this video for understanding all the things, all the questions of percentage. So thank you all of you, and have a nice day.